Hey everyone, welcome to Pure English Podcast, your daily dose of simple, natural English conversation. You'll get to listen to short, easy dialogues from everyday life at a cafe, market, or just chatting with friends. So, if you want to improve your listening skills, hit that subscribe button and let's start our journey together today.
I don't think we've met before. I'm Aryan. Hi, Aryan. I am Henry. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you a friend of Zara's? Yeah, we work together. And you? Oh, cool. We went to college together. So, how do you know most people here? Mostly through work, honestly. I don't know many people here. Same here. It's always awkward. At first, right. Totally. But I guess that's how new friendships start.
Let's take a look at some useful phrases that you can use at a party, event, or in a casual setting. I don't think we've met before. When you want to start a conversation with someone new, are you a friend of Mira's? A friendly way to ask. Through which connection did you come? It's always awkward at first, when things feel a bit awkward at the beginning. This sentence is relatable and sounds natural. Hey there, I hope you're ready to pick up some cool new info today. Keep crushing it, stay curious, and catch you in the first episode of this awesome English listening series.